got a sweet update from Flow AI. Now you can actually create 4 seconds video, 6 seconds video, 8 seconds video, I think 10 seconds video on Flow AI. And the crazy part of it is this: 4 seconds video, I think you can do it with, I think, 8 credits, 10 credits, 12 credits, and max of 15 credits. What are you waiting for? So I think basically now people that cannot actually afford money to actually do what? Solve for grok can actually use what? Can use Flow AI, and Flow gives quality results with grok, just that grok is a bit faster than Flow. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do what? How to use this new feature that Flow AI has actually introduced or included on their platform. Let us dive into the full tutorial video. So the very first thing you need to do is to go to your Flow AI. So to go to your Flow AI, I'll be using my what? I'll be accessing my Flow AI from my Chrome browser. So once you're on your Chrome browser, I'm actually doing this video for those who do not know how to access Flow. So you have to tap on this place that says Flow AI. So when you tap on this Flow AI, now it's going to take you straight to Flow AI. So all you need to do is just tap on this first link here. Do you see that? So when you tap on this first link, then it's going to take you to the main interface of Flow AI, which is what you're seeing here. Look at it. It's taking me to the interface, guys. So once you are here and you want to create your video, look at what you need to do. You don't need to bother yourself. And don't forget that every day Flow AI gives you 50 credits. Yes. Now this is how to use it. So I'm going to use a random email to sign into my Flow AI. Now this is me in the main interface of Flow AI. To me, I call this stuff workflow in Flow AI. So once you are here, the next thing you need to do, let me just work on my previous project. Do you understand? So I'm going to tap on this particular project, and then I'm going to have my images for my history video. Do you see that? So this is images for my history. Now let's assume that I want to make this particular image here to talk. That's converting it to video. Look at what I'm going to do. So I'm going to long press on this. So when I long press, I'm going to click on this place that says add to prompt. So when you click on this place that says add to prompt, automatically the image will be here. So once the image is here, now the next thing you need to do is to give your instruction what you want this image to actually do. So I'm going to tap on this place and be like, I'll be like, make the characters to move, but they should not talk. But the character should not talk. Should not talk. You see that? So once you have this, then this is where the magic now happens. You have to tap on this place because you are generating video. So once you tap on this place, then you are going to switch from image to this video here. So when you tap on this video here, you are into this place. Now once you are here, look at the new feature that we are talking about. This is what Omni Flash. So this is the one we are going to use. But if you tap on it, you can actually use view. Can you see? The rest here are actually view, but this one was added new here on Flow AI. So when you select this Omni, now look at what this stuff simply means. You can create 4-minute video. You can create 6 seconds video rather. You can create 8 seconds, and max is 10 seconds video. Now on this 4-minute video, if you are selecting 4 seconds video rather, 4 seconds video will consume, now 4 seconds video we consume just 7 credits. Look at it here. 4 seconds video we consume 7 credits. 6 seconds video we consume 10 credits. Are you seeing it here? Now 8 seconds video we consume 12 credits, while 10 seconds video we consume 15 credits. Now what this stuff simply means is this: if you are doing 8 seconds video here, so what it simply means is this: you are going to generate, if you're using 8 seconds video, you are going to generate there about 20 something images, some 20 something videos using the free version of Flow. So imagine you have like 10 different accounts with Flow. So that means you can actually come up with almost 80 clips of video with Flow AI for free. Now to check the amount of credit you have to tap on this U here. Then when you tap on this U, can you see I'm having 50. And if I exhaust this 50 right now, tomorrow they are going to refresh it again to be on 50. So this is basically the best way you can actually do what? Create an amazing videos now with low cost using Flow AI. Don't forget to support the growth of the channel by subscribing and liking this video. See you guys on another tutorial video.